Hi, friends. Okay, we have 5 questions to answer. These are going to be really easy because we just talked about all of it. Number one, the students will now find more information, ideas, book, found, or cell phones. Parents, if you find that your child is overwhelmed by too many answer choices, go ahead and hide three 2 to 3 answer choices, whichever it makes it easier for them, and have them choose that way. Mr. Landry will use a information, ideas, book, found, cell phones. William and Amaya look for blank on websites. Information, ideas, book, found, or cell phones. Each group blank more ideas. Information, ideas, book, found, cell phones. Okay, like usual, you're going to go ahead and create a Google form and you're going to number 1 through 5 and help your child type in the answers for the questions. Thank you so much, parents. I really, really, really do appreciate all the work you do with your children. I really, really do. Thank you for keeping up. And thank you for bearing with us and all this technology because we're all learning. I will see you later, friends. Bye.